It's officially, we are out. Alright, so we're here at the house. We're gonna fill up our tanks and we're gonna see if we get a head start, drive about 2-3 hours, hit a rest area, and then continue to our journey, which is near Savannah. Ready to head out. Final walkthrough. Tires look good. Got the bikes ready. Lights working. We are ready to head out. See you in our next stop. First stop right here, Fort Pierce rest area. We're gonna spend the night here and call it a night. We'll get back on the road tomorrow early. Bye bye. Good morning. This rest area officially passed the test. Fort Pierce in Port St. Lucie County, mile marker 133. What do you have to say about this, babe? She's still sleepy. Bye-bye. We still got 5 more hours. Peace. So yeah, mile marker 133 of Fort Pierce Plaza. Here to give you a better understanding here. Very good. You know, it's free. There's not a lot of noise. The highway's over there, so you really can't hear nothing, and you pretty much get all this to yourself. For a one-night stop, this is perfect. Okay, now we're gonna head off to Buc-ee's, get something to eat there, fill up again, and continue our journey to Savannah. Alright guys, so we're in McIntosh Manor in McIntosh County, Georgia, in the town of Eulonia or Townsend, Georgia. It's located about 45 minutes south of Savannah, Georgia, and as you can see, this place is beautiful. It is one property, and they built RV sites towards the back. It has about 10 RV sites and a cabin that you could also rent. I will show you around so you guys get to see what this place looks like. This is our site here, site 3. Sites are very secluded, spacious. Overall, very nice. Very well maintained. So yeah, that's the cabin right there that you could rent. They have these 2 beautiful fire pits. We came here last night. So there you have it, guys. McIntosh Manor RV Park. We're gonna head out to Savannah right now. Tomorrow we're gonna see if we do Brunswick, Georgia and Jekyll Island. So follow along and continue the tour. To Savannah, Georgia, enjoying our Thanksgiving weekend. This is beautiful. We've been here before, but we came again because we love it.
Look at the beautiful fall colors all over the tree, the foliage.
So, you like Savannah, babe?
I love it, especially the fall colors, the decor on the lights on the post. See on all the lights over here, right above.
How about the weather?
Weather's great, nice and cool,
Yeah, weather's great.
and all the history.
Coldest beer in town.
What are you doing?
Smallest church in America.
I already did.
We finally made it to Jekyll Island, another beautiful island in coastal Georgia. Driftwood Beach is the name of this beach right here. Coastal Georgia. Driftwood Beach. So majestic. Look at this. So what's your take on this, babe?
Wow, it's such a beautiful island.
It is.
The driftwood.
I'm guessing that with many years of hurricane coming by, that's what has done all this.
Let's just look at everything. The trees, the woods are just placed so elegantly.
Yeah, it is very nice. Highly recommended, guys.
Beautiful.
Jekyll Island, coastal Georgia.
Look at the little bird.
This is how you go to the beach in Georgia. Through the woods. Nature. Bam! The beach. Jekyll Island Beach. It's not your Florida beach, but it's coastal Georgia. Beautiful. Beach is a beach.
Look at the view.
There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Our trip is over. Coastal Georgia and McIntosh Manor. If you like our content, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.